Have you ever wondered why the length of your content matters in the world of SEO? If you are eager to understand the importance of content length in SEO content writing, you are in the right place. Hello everyone, welcome back to makblogs SEO content writing course. I am your dedicated instructor from makblogs. Today in lecture 29, we will learn a crucial aspect of SEO content writing, the importance of content length. We will explore why the length of your content matters and how it can impact your SEO efforts positively. Before we proceed further, I want to let you know that you can access the full makblogs SEO content writing course playlist by clicking the link in the description box or using the I option above. So let's get started. First, understanding content length. Let's begin by understanding what content length actually means in the context of SEO. Content length refers to the number of words, characters or paragraphs in a piece of content. For example, a blog post with 500 words has a different content length compared to a comprehensive guide with 5,000 words. But why is this important? Let's explore. The SEO impact. Content length plays a significant role in how search engines ranks your pages. Google and other search engines tend to favor longer, comprehensive content. This is because longer content often provides more value and in-depth information to users. As a result, it's more likely to rank higher in search engines results pages. That's called SERPs. User experience. While SEO is essential, it's equally important to consider the user experience. Content that's too short might not provide enough information, leaving users unsatisfied. On the other hand, excessively long content can overwhelm users and lead to a high bounce rate. The key is to strike a balance that provides value without overwhelming your audience. Examples of content length. Let's look at some examples to better understand the role of content length. Imagine you are searching for a recipe online. Would you prefer a concise recipe with just the ingredients and steps, or a more comprehensive one that includes tips, variations and serving suggestions? Similarly, when researching a complex topic, longer, well-researched articles tend to provide a better understanding. Got it? Now, optimizing content length. So, how do you optimize content length for SEO? Start by considering the topic and user intent. Some topics require shorter content, while others demand in-depth coverage. Perform keyword research to understand what users are looking for and the type of content that's currently ranking. Don't add filler content just to increase length. Ensure that every word adds value. Use headings, subheadings and bullet points to break up longer content and make it more digestible. In conclusion, we can say that content length is a critical factor in SEO content writing. It impacts your search engine rankings and the overall user experience. Striking the right balance based on your topic and audience's needs is essential. By understanding the importance of content length, you can create content that not only ranks well but also provides real value to your readers. Stay tuned for our upcoming lessons where we will continue to explore advanced SEO content writing techniques for maximizing your website's visibility and ranking on search engines. To enhance your learning experience, please subscribe, like this video if you found it helpful, and engage in discussions by leaving comments and asking questions. Thank you for joining us in lecture 29, where we discuss the importance of content length in SEO content writing. If you are looking for professional digital services like SEO, content writing and more, visit our website or contact us now. We are here to support your online success. Keep learning and get ready for our upcoming lessons. Your journey to becoming a skilled SEO content writer continues.